They have expanded long vowels into multiple vowel sounds, so they would pronounce nice as noise and mate as might. Then they pronounced O as AUR, so instead of saying no, they say more, and window would be pronounced as wendor. T is swept with D in the middle of words, after this matter, and there is an intrusive R, matter of fact. They also tend to blend their words together, so instead of saying good day, they would say good day. Instead of saying out to gata and out to gata. These are some ways that I've found of emulating the Chilean accent. So if we say, sorry, if we say R and R, it would sound like how an Australian person would say, oh no. Or rise up lights, like razor blades, and good day mate. These are some common Australian slang terms. They say defo for definitely, argo, afternoon, Barbie for barbecue, etc. Dog, doggo. They tend to very often add the word mate, even when it's maybe not necessary. So they would say we head to the beach mate, and they also add but and adjective plus as. And some phrases are like, how you going? Good on ya, no worries, what you after, etc.